y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you everything I ate in a day. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get to it. So for breakfast, I'm having this Kashi organic blueberry cluster cereal with a few slices of banana in the bowl and some of this lactose-free milk. For lunch, me and Alan shared an everything bagel with cream cheese. So I have a serious question for all of y'all. Leave your responses down below. When you eat a bagel, do you eat it like this separately or do you sandwich it together? Because I prefer mine separately with cream cheese on both sides, and Alan likes to eat his sandwich together, but I don't like that. So for dinner, I cooked beef stroganoff, and this is all of the ingredients I'm going to be using to make that. So first off, I'm chopping up an onion and I'm going to saute that onion in some olive oil. I'm going to get my water boiling for my noodles, and now I'm going to start browning the meat, and I'm just adding salt and pepper, garlic powder and onion powder. The pan in the back is what I have my onion in. It's sauteing in the olive oil, and then I'm also going to add some minced garlic to that. Now I am transferring my hamburger meat to the same pan that has the onion and the garlic in it. Now I'm adding a few splashes of the Worcestershire sauce. I'm totally aware that I don't pronounce that word correctly, and I actually just asked Alan how to pronounce it and he said it, but I still can't get it, so it is what it is. Now I'm adding in my Campbell's cream of mushroom soup to the meat. I actually ended up using 2 small cans of that. So now that my noodles are done, I drained them and I'm adding the meat to the pot of noodles. I'm adding the rest of the second can of the soup to the mixture, and then I'm also going to be squeezing in some sour cream. Now I'm adding just a little bit of sugar for fun. So now dinner is done and this is what it looks like, and now you can watch me eat it for a second as I text my mom. So now I'm just cleaning up the kitchen, and I'm using some of the Method products that I got from Grove. If you guys want to check out Grove, the links are down in the description. So then I decided to make myself some cookies, and I made these cookies the other day, and they are 3-ingredient cookies. They are so easy to make, and I'll tell you all about them after I'm finished. I'll tell you what they taste like and stuff, but basically it's just 2 bananas and then some protein powder. I'm just using my Total Soy meal replacement powder. It has lots of vitamins in it. And some oatmeal. And listen, I am not good with measurements unless I'm using a recipe. I just don't pay attention to measurements, so I'm just throwing it all in and mixing as I go. And I also put a little pinch of salt. But yeah, so I'm just mixing it together till I feel like it's the right consistency, and then I'm going to bake them at 350 for 15 minutes. After mixing it together, I just formed them in little balls, and then I took my fork and I flattened them. So, I actually made these the other day and I really enjoyed them. So I decided to make more. And I'm having them with a glass of lactose-free milk. I wanted to describe them to y'all, just in case you're wondering. So, consistency. Very soft, chewy. But not like gummy chewy. Just like, chewy. The inside looks a little funky, I think because of the banana. But these are so good to me. So there was no extra added sugar other than what was in the meal replacement. And I think that was actually 8 grams of sugar for 2 scoops. These taste like banana muffins. Really good. You can obviously swap out that powder I used for another protein powder of your choice. And they're a healthier alternative to a regular cookie. But I like them. Want a bite? I would eat this whole thing right now, especially with this little cup of milk. So, what do you guys think about these cookies, and have you ever tried anything like this? And would you? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave me some comments down below, and give this video a like, and I will see you next time. Bye!